Okay, today I'm working on an air conditioner that is having issues starting the fan. Let's see here. Bearings are going bad in it, and it's causing the compressor to overheat. And so, without this motor running properly, I can't check the Freon. I have a feeling that it's going to be low as well. But anyway, customer needs a new motor. You can obviously tell. Now the compressor kicked back on because it was overheated. And watch that fan motor stop again. Hard to believe it's still going. Wow, it actually sounds good now. Nice. There you go.